He used to fix your mess. Hello.
Hello, you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. How much? Yeah, that's it.
Is that you?
Hi, I'm Denise Cooper from Royale Installation, and I'm a qualified electrician of 9 years. I have a background in construction with over 20 years industry experience.
You've probably noticed that after a long shower, your bathroom turns into a sauna. That's moisture in the air, and without proper ventilation, it can lead to mould and mildew problems. Today, we're fixing that with a bathroom extractor fan. There are so many options out there, from basic models to more advanced ones with sensors that kick in when the humidity reaches a certain level. I'm going with this simple model today because it is what the client wants, and it suits their bathroom size perfectly.
Okay, that is it. Yeah, that looks good.
Here's a quick tip. Before drilling, make sure you check for any hidden pipes or electrical wiring. The last thing you want is to drill into something you shouldn't. Now comes the wiring part. If you're not comfortable with electrical work, it's always best to call in a professional.
So, the lid, where's the lid for the drinking? Right, I don't know why they make this so awkward to get the last little screw inside.
Next, let's mount the fan. I'm going to screw it into place using the brackets provided. Make sure it's level because you don't want any weird gaps or misalignment.
What I need is that piece of chunking.
We're all done.
Woo!
The fan is securely in place and everything's running smoothly. Now let's touch up the trunking and make sure everything is looking neat.
So now we have the fan, the extractor fan with the low voltage in the correct position. So here we have the transformer that steps down the power outside of the zone 2, because we've got a shower here. So that's the correct position for the fan, and we've connected to the triple pole isolator switch. This switch is only used for mechanical maintenance, so it's not to be used to turn the fan on and off. The customer's got the option of either using the pull cord if need be, and this one has a humidity, so while the shower's being used, the fan will check the relative humidity and it will turn on and off when needed. So today we have another happy customer. Thanks for watching one installation, and if you look up here, we'll give you the diagram of how the fan is installed and the wiring. Stay tuned. Thanks.